Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cosmic culinary adventure with our solar eclipse star salad. This plant-based delight is not only visually stunning but also packed with nutrients. Let's get started. First, let's talk about our ingredients. For the base, we'll use dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, or mixed greens. These are rich in vitamins and minerals, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Here's what you'll need for our solar eclipse star salad. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, or mixed greens. Black olives, whole or sliced. Yellow and red bell peppers, sliced into rings. Swiss cheese, cubed, optional. For a plant-based version, use vegan cheese. Mung bean sprouts. Edible flowers, optional, for a touch of elegance. Let's start assembling our salad. 1. Prepare the base. Start with a bed of dark leafy greens. 2. Create the eclipse. Arrange slices of black olives and yellow bell peppers in circular patterns on top of the greens. 3. Add the moon's craters. Scatter cubed vegan cheese over the salad. 4. Add the stars. Sprinkle mung bean sprouts around the edges. 5. Optional. Add edible flowers for extra color and a touch of elegance. And there you have it, our solar eclipse star salad. It's not just a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a themed party or a healthy meal at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it out, don't forget to share your photos with us on social media using hashtag #SolarEclipseStarSalad. And if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more plant-based recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.